Okay, look at that. See what that is? That's a beautiful beach of Huntington Beach. And that's my view from the shower here at the Pasea Hotel and Spa in Huntington Beach. So let me give you a tour of my beautiful oceanfront room here at the Pasea Hotel and Spa. And look, it's dog friendly, and we brought Hans the dog. So before I get started with the tour, I just wanted to say, come on, that before I start with the tour, I just wanted to ask you to please subscribe to my channel. I've got lots of great luxury travel and luxury car content. Post new videos every couple days. All you need to do is click the little subscribe button. Thank you. So let me get started with what I think obviously is the best feature of the suite, which is this incredible view that we have of Huntington Beach. Sweeping miles and miles view from left to right. Left side is south, and north we see the Huntington Beach Pier, and we're kind of looking up towards the Long Beach area and things like that. But it's great. We've got a table and chairs out here. You can sit out here, you can enjoy a glass of wine like Latrice likes to, and just enjoy the beautiful view and the ocean here like that. It's really, really nice. Couple negatives. You're right across the street from the beach, but the street here is a busy street. It's Pacific Coast Highway, and you have a lot of fast cars and motorcycles and things like that revving their engines, so it can get a little bit noisy. But you have this great view of the beach, and Huntington Beach has all kinds of events. The World Surfing Championship, and they have a famous air show every year. So if you stay here, you're perfectly sighted to see all the stuff that's going on the beach, or go to whatever's going on the beach. So come inside and let me give you a look. Again, this is one of the hotel's oceanfront rooms. So we have, kind of a standard hotel room layout. We have a nice chaise lounge, very comfortable bed here. You can see that you have kind of an ocean theme with the colors, the aquamarine and the blues. Nice little work desk area here, kind of a makeup area here, and little mini bar. Something I don't like is that you have this big refrigerator, but it's not stocked as a mini bar, so you don't have any snacks in your room. The hotel does have a 24-hour little kind of gift shop and snack shop that's in the lobby, and at night they have 24-hour room service where they bring sandwiches and stuff like that. Actually, the same guy that works in the little shop comes and brings the late night room service things. And I think this is a good point. Another great thing about the hotel, as I said before, it's very dog friendly. It's the only hotel in Huntington Beach with its own dog park. Let me show you that. So they have their own little dog park. So we're out here with Hans. And Latrice and I are mad at Hans because we just took him to the dog beach and he got in a little fight with another doggy. Because he always tries to dominate dogs. But anyhow, so you have this cool little doggy park here. It's fenced in. Doggies can play and go to the bathroom. And they even have a little doggy lifeguard stand over there. So we've had some great food here. Mainly a lot of room service. Let me show you a couple of our great room service breakfasts overlooking the ocean. Okay, having another excellent room service breakfast here at Pasea Hotel and Spa in Huntington Beach. Breakfast is always better when you're overlooking the ocean, I find. Though there's a lot of loud motorcycles going by. See? See, that's one problem about staying here. Hear that? Beautiful hotel, great views of the beach, but the street between you and the beach is PCH, and a lot of people cruise up and down, including a lot of people on Harleys. And I've been guilty of that myself, but I don't rev the engine like that. So we have smoked salmon platter here, bit of Canadian bacon, a special request fruit plate with just watermelon and berries. Thank you very much. We have a waffle with bourbon honey butter, which I think is there, and real maple syrup, and then a nice glass of fresh squeezed orange juice to start the morning off. Again, breakfast here at the Pasea Hotel and Spa in Huntington Beach. And one more thing about dogs is Huntington Beach is one of the only cities in Southern California, if not California, that has an off-leash dog beach. So it's like a dog park on the beach where dogs can run around, and it's a lot of fun. Another thing that Huntington Beach is unique in is that you're allowed to have little campfires on the beach. So at night you see a lot of people camping, and not camping out, but having picnics and stuff with campfires out there. Let me finish the tour. So we have a very nice bathroom here. Following the trend of a lot of luxury hotels, you don't have a bathtub, but you have this enormous shower. And of course, as I showed you before, the shower has this giant window which gives you ocean views as you take a shower. There's a door on the other side of that window that you can close for privacy. And then a nice stylish bathroom here, and your commode is in there. Kind of standard closet space here. Something cool, the hotel gives you these kind of bathrobes slash long sweatshirts, which are perfect for walking on the beach at night. Again, they're combination bathrobes and long sweatshirts. And then over here, excuse the dirty towels, we have our safe and other storage space over there. Okay? So that concludes the tour. Again, this is the Pasea Hotel and Spa here in Huntington Beach. Again, if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And you can read more about my adventure at luxuryfred.com. Thank you very much for watching.